Hello and welcome back to Speak English Naturally. Today's lesson can help you in real life. Imagine this. Your doctor says you need a blood test. You arrive at the clinic. The nurse asks questions. You hear words like fasting, results, sample, and suddenly English becomes difficult. If that sounds familiar, today's episode is for you. Today, we will practice useful English for blood tests, simple phrases, natural conversations, real situations, and I will ask you questions so you can speak too. Ready? Let us begin. Part 1. Arriving for the blood test. When you arrive, someone may say, "Hello, how can I help you?" You can answer, "I am here for a blood test." Repeat, "I am here for a blood test." Again, "I am here for a blood test." Another useful sentence, "I have an appointment." Repeat, "I have an appointment." Very useful. Now, imagine you arrive at the clinic. What would you say? Pause and answer. Good. Another common question, "Can I have your name?" You answer, "My name is." Simple. Now, another question. "Do you have your appointment details?" Repeat, "Appointment details." You can answer, "Yes," or "Good." Part 2. Fasting. This is a common word. The nurse may ask, "Did you fast?" Repeat, "Fast." Fasting means you did not eat before the test. You may hear, "Did you eat this morning?" Repeat, useful answers. Number, "I was fasting." Repeat, "I was fasting." Another, "Yes, I had breakfast." Repeat, "I had breakfast." Another question, "How long did you fast?" Repeat, useful answers. For 8 hours. For 12 hours. Repeat, for 12 hours. Question, "Have you heard the word fasting before?" Pause and answer. Excellent. Part 3. During the blood test, the nurse may say, "Please sit down." Repeat, "Please sit down." Another, "Relax your arm." Repeat, "Relax your arm." Another, "You may feel a small pinch." Repeat, "Small pinch." Another, "Please stay still." Repeat, "Stay still." Now, imagine. The nurse says, "Take a deep breath." Repeat, "Take a deep breath." Question, "Would you feel nervous?" Pause and answer. Good. Now, another useful phrase, "I am okay." Repeat, another, "I feel nervous." Repeat, another, "I do not like needles." Repeat, very useful. Part 4. Questions the nurse may ask. Question 1. Are you feeling okay? Repeat, useful answers. Yes. Repeat, a little nervous. Repeat. Question 2. Have you had water? Repeat, useful answers. Yes or no. Question 3. Are you taking medicine? Repeat. Question 4. Do you have allergies? Repeat. Question 5. Have you done this before? Repeat, useful answers. Yes or no. Very useful. Part 5. Questions you can ask. Question 1. What are you checking? Repeat. Question 2. How long will it take? Repeat. Question 3. When will I get the results? Repeat Question 4. Can I eat after the test? Repeat. Question 5. Will someone call me? Repeat. Question 6. Do I need another test? Repeat. These questions help you feel confident. Part 6. Understanding results. Now, let us talk about results. You may hear, your results look normal. Repeat. Results look normal. Another. The doctor will contact you. Repeat. Another. Please wait for the report. Repeat. Another. Everything looks okay. Repeat. Very useful. Now, imagine. Someone says, your results are ready. Repeat. Results are ready. Simple. Part 7. Common blood test phrases. Please roll up your sleeve. Repeat. Roll up your sleeve. Please relax. Repeat. Please wait here. Repeat. We are almost finished. Repeat. You did great. Repeat. Very useful. Now, let us practice mini conversations. Conversation 1. Receptionist. Hello. How can I help you? Patient. I am here for a blood test. Receptionist. Do you have an appointment? Patient. Yes. Receptionist. Please wait. Patient. Thank you. Very natural. Conversation 2. Nurse. Did you fast? Patient. Yes. For 12 hours. Nurse. Great. Patient. Can I eat after the test? Nurse. Yes. Excellent. Conversation 3. Patient. When will I get the results? Nurse. In a few days. Patient. Will someone call me? Nurse. Yes. Patient. Thank you. Very natural. Now, let us practice together. I will ask. You answer. Ready? Question. Did you fast? Pause and answer. Question. Are you feeling okay? Pause and answer. Question. When will you get the results? Pause and answer. Question. Can you eat after the test? Pause and answer. Amazing. Now, imagine. You have a blood test tomorrow. Would you feel more confident? I hope so. Remember, you do not need perfect English. Short sentences work. Clear communication matters more. Before we finish, today's challenge. Answer this question in the comments. What would you say if the nurse asked, "Did you fast?" Write one sentence in English and tell me which phrase was new for you. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Speak English Naturally. New English lessons every week. Keep listening, keep speaking, and little by little, your English becomes natural. See you in the next episode.